everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Makeup Forever. HD Skin Face Essentials Longwear Full Face Cream Palette. This price is $88. Color, Palette 1. Light to medium for fair to medium skin tones. An easy-to-use cream palette with multi-use shades that can be mixed to create a custom foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, blush, or highlighter. Free of parabens, formaldehydes, formaldehyde-releasing agents, phthalates, mineral oil, retinol palmitate, oxybenzone, coal tar. Color, Palette 2. Tan to deep for tan to deep skin tones. Sulfates SLS and SLES, trifluorocarbon, triclosan, and contains less than 1% synthetic fragrance. Create a full face with this versatile palette designed for all skin tones. The creamy texture of each shade makes customization and application easy. For foundation, find and mix shades that most closely match your skin tone. Apply using your fingertips, a sponge, or a brush. To contour, start by selecting a sculpting shade 1 or 2 tones deeper than your skin. Apply to desired areas, like your cheekbones and jawline, to create depth and dimension. Blend in an upward motion for the most natural look. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.